The Samsung Galaxy A56 boasts a range of impressive specifications, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. It features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution, providing rich colors and crisp clarity for an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it's powered by an efficient octa-core processor, coupled with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive performance. For storage, the A56 offers options of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSD, giving users plenty of space for apps, photos, and media. The camera system is robust, with a quad-lens setup on the back, led by a 64MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth sensor, allowing for versatile photography. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera ensures clear and vibrant photos. The A56 is equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, supporting 25W fast charging, giving it enough power to last through the day. Running on Samsung's One UI, based on Android 12, it offers a clean, user-friendly experience with useful customization options. With additional features like an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual SIM capability, and 5G connectivity, the Galaxy A56 is well suited for users seeking a feature-rich phone at an accessible price point.